Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. Inflation in the world's two largest economies is on the rise and above policy targets. US July consumer inflation expectations rose to 2.9% from under 2.7% in June. The impact of tariffs is now being felt by consumers, and that inflation level is now higher than its 12-month average. It's also threatening the Fed's 2% policy target limit for inflation. American unemployment expectations also rose. Inflation in China is rising too. In July, it was up to 2.7%, a rise from 2.5% in June, and more than the 2.6% expected. Food prices are rising fast, driven by pork prices, which have more than doubled, and the impact of their floods. Beef prices, however, seem to have stopped rising in recent months, but lamb prices are still going up 11% year on year and up 1.1% in July from June. In China, the cost of medical care and education both are rising, but at modest rates. Rent is declining, and petrol went up sharply in July, but it's still down significantly year on year. Deflation in producer prices eased a little in China in July. In Hong Kong, police have been sweeping up the owners of independent news organisation Next Digital, accusing them of endangering national security and working for foreign powers. They were handcuffed, removed and denied access to lawyers. In addition, they rounded up a range of other protest leaders, taking them to unknown destinations. Internationally, Chinese military forces breached both Taiwanese and Philippine borders overnight. The US Treasury 10-year yield is holding at 0.57%, and the gold price is at $2,032, which is down $3 an ounce from this time yesterday. The silver price has risen, however, up more than 3%. And oil prices are firmer today by about $1 a barrel. They're just over $42 a barrel in the US, and the international price is just over $45 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar fell marginally overnight, now just over 65.9 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we're soft at 92.1 Australian cents, and against the euro, are up slightly to 56.1 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index is lower at just on 69.2. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.